Hey guys, welcome back to the Savvy Camper. So, our trailer is about 3 years old, and gosh, I feel like everything's falling apart. Really, it's not. It's just a few things, small things, and one of them is our toilet, and that's just being a pain in the butt. I've messed with it quite a bit, but come to find out, it was not really recalled because they didn't want to do a full replacement for everyone, but it's going to be replaced by the manufacturer. So I guess that's good. The thing that we're going to be working on today is this doorknob right here. Let me show you how it works. So basically, when you're in the trailer and you have the screen shut, this closes so that no bugs can get in, and then there's a little knob here that can turn that. That's what it looks like. And ours is broken. It broke right before our last camping trip, right before we were going out, like as we were packing. And so I got on and ordered one real quick, and it was supposed to be there off Amazon in 2 days. And of course it wasn't. So that came 3 days into our trip. If you are buying a new travel trailer or RV or anything like that, and you don't know what to look for, and you're worried about things being broken or breaking, we do have a course on this. So if you want to go to the Savvy Campers /course, that will take you to the course page, or you can click the link down below in the description, and we walk you through all about how to inspect and what to look for in a travel trailer when you're buying new. All right, and also if you're buying used. All right, so let's get started. This should hopefully be an easy one. So I did take some time to see if I can remove this easily, but I think it's just going to be more of a case of just manhandling it out. So hopefully it doesn't break, but it's kind of a plexiglass, pretty bendable. So I'm going to go ahead and just bend that a little bit, pull that out. Patent protected LCI, it's a Lippert component. And then we're going to go ahead, put this in the slot, bend it out. Come on. There we go. And that is it. So here I can show you what it does. So it closes like that, and then it allows the door to be open from the inside without having to use that knob. So here's one quick tip is if you have kids and stuff, you can take this, push it down below, and then as you can see that little latch goes under. So then now it's locked, so kids can't come and break it. And then to open, you just slide it over and repeat the process to get in. So I'll show you what that looks like from the back side. So the back side, as you see, you push down like that. But to lock it, you push it down like that. That it holds that up so that kids and people can't get in. Obviously, it's not a lock or anything, but just a little way so your toddler or young one can't sneak in. All right, so that is it. It sucks having to replace this whole thing just because that thing broke, but it looks like it's an injected molded piece of plastic, and they do it in one piece so that you can't actually repair it. Once it breaks, it breaks. So this is just going to the junkyard, or maybe I could use this piece of plastic for something else. All right, thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, consider subscribing or maybe even liking the video, because it does take time to put these together and edit for you. And if you hope that I get through this toilet issue, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.